Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I will show you how you can get rid of rough or dry skin from your feet. For this you need some ingredients like rose water. Here I have taken Dabur Gulabi rose water. You can use any of the rose water. Coconut oil, honey, 3 tablespoons of curd, and same quantity of 3 tablespoons of rice flour. This is the rice flour, which is a very good ingredient that will remove your dead skin cells also from the feet and also gives you a very good skin with proper moisturization on your feet. So first of all, take a bowl and add rice flour into it. So basically what you need to do is you need to scrub your feet with ingredients, with all these ingredients. All these things help you to get rid of dry skin from your feet as well as give you a very good skin. So now you can see I am adding rose water also here. Few drops of rose water is required, and coconut oil we'll use afterwards when we'll apply all these things. And then I will be adding some honey. Few drops of honey is also required. It will give you a moisturized skin and also get rid of all the problems that you are facing like skin irritation, because there is no proper moisturization in your skin, therefore it get dried. So you need to make this mixture more wet, so I am adding little bit more curd into it. Now add all these ingredients together. Now the mixture is completely ready to use. Now I am showing you how you need to apply it on your feet. Like you can see here the dryness in the feet. So what you need to do is just take the mixture of the ingredients on your palm hand like this and apply it all over your feet, and especially on the ankle part, and rub it in the circular motion like this for at least 2 minutes. It will remove the dead skin cells also and also give you a very moisturized skin. You need to repeat this remedy at least twice a week to get rid of dry skin from your feet. Like this I am doing. You need to do this like this. Just give a nice massage or do the scrub in this circular motion and all over apply it to your feet. Also on the top part of the fingers like I am doing here. Or it will also remove all the dead skin cells from your feet, and you will feel your feet will become very soft. So friends, now you have seen I have rubbed it all over. Now I will show you need to wash your feet in cold water. Now just wash your feet in the cold water like I will show you right now. So you can see so you need to wash it properly with cold water, and after washing it you will see very good result, because this is the very good ingredient that is required to make your feet very soft and very smooth. So now I will show you how. Here I have cleaned my face very properly, and you can see now there is no whiteness available here, and see the result in by using just one time only. Now what you need is, you need to apply some coconut oil over to your face, because it will give you proper nourishment as well as moisturization to your skin. So just apply some coconut oil, and like this, all around. You need to repeat this remedy at least twice a week. So friends, here we have done. All the dead skins have been removed from the feet, and dryness is also gone. So I hope you like this video. Do use this remedy for best result. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.